Alright, I'm out here at US 431 in Newville, Alabama. We got a couple updates here. First off, you can see over there that's a new cantilever, but around this signal, I'm going to get to that in a little bit. I'm going to head over there. I'm going to do some two parts like it is US 231 Troy. But on this signal, the dead Western County mechanical bell has been replaced with this General Signals electronic bell. I'm guessing it's a Type 3. Another change to this, still got all General Signals LEDs and I think Harman light heads. But yeah, just thought I'd get this. But yeah, this is the first part of this update here at US 431 in Newville, Alabama. Alright, I'm still out here at the US 431 road crossing near Newville, Alabama. We're looking at the southbound signal now, the brand new cantilever here. As you can see, this cantilever is a TCR cantilever, which seems to be a popular brand for the G&W these days. Then we got the emergency information. See is listed on the bay line, the dot number 637977R. The mast lights are a pair of Western County 12x24-inch lights with GE dotted LEDs in them. There's a close-up of one of the LEDs. And here's the back one of the light heads. The overhead lights. These are more Western County 12x24-inch lights with GE dotted LEDs in them. Close-up of that pair. Close-up of that pair. And I'll show you all the back of it real fast. There's the rear of the lights. And the bell here is the General Signals electronic bell. I'm guessing also a Type 3. And here's a back view of the signal. But yeah, you can see right down there where the part of the old cantilever was. But yeah, just a quick update here to, this is just a video of this update here at US 431 and near Newville, Alabama. Over and out.